How does a CBC test reveal immune system health? Imagine a tiny army inside your blood working tirelessly to keep you healthy. A complete blood count test helps us see how well that army is functioning. It mainly looks at white blood cells, which are the body's defenders against infections and abnormal cells. White blood cells are crucial for your immune system because they identify and fight germs, viruses, and even cancer cells. When you get a CBC test, it measures the total number of white blood cells in your blood, giving a snapshot of your immune health. It also provides a differential count, which breaks down the types of white blood cells into categories like neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils, and basophils. Each type has a specific role in immune defense. For example, lymphocytes include cells that remember past infections and help your body respond faster next time. Neutrophils are the first responders to bacterial infections. Changes in these counts can tell doctors a lot about what's happening inside your body. If the white blood cell count is high, it might mean your body is fighting an infection or inflammation. Sometimes, very high counts can be a sign of leukemia, which is a type of blood cancer where abnormal white blood cells multiply rapidly. On the other hand, a low white blood cell count can suggest your immune system is weakened or that there's a problem with your bone marrow, which makes blood cells. This can happen in leukemia or as a side effect of treatment. The proportions of different white blood cell types also matter. For example, an increase in eosinophils might indicate allergies or parasitic infections. Abnormal ratios can point to specific immune responses or blood disorders. In leukemia, the CBC is especially important because it can reveal abnormal cells or very low counts that signal bone marrow issues. It also measures red blood cells, hemoglobin, hematocrit, and platelets, which are often affected in leukemia. Low red blood cells and platelets can cause anemia and easy bleeding, respectively. So, in essence, a CBC test gives a detailed picture of your immune system's health by showing how many white blood cells you have and what types they are. This helps doctors diagnose conditions like leukemia, assess how advanced it might be, and monitor how well treatments are working. Remember, always consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice, as blood counts can vary from person to person and depend on many factors.